Sentence reading fluency. We will read this line by line. I will read first and then you will read after me. The rats rip the zip. The dip is on his lip. The cats dig for the fig. Her wig is red. The pit hit the peg. The fit man sat on the mat. The kid put the lid. The man win the bid. Well done. Take care. Bye.